Good morning or good evening, wherever you are. This is Eva from Wise to Rise, and today I'm going to be sharing how to make a good habit. I'm sure you all experienced from time to time that it can be hard to make a new activity in your life to become a habit that you keep for the long run. And I learned this technique. It's 4 steps you need to take to make a good habit. And the first step is called micro steps. And it's about starting small. That it's really key to do that. And for instance, if you want to make a routine of doing a morning workout, you can start small by doing 2 push-ups each day, for instance. And step number 2 is convenience. You really need to make it super easy for yourself. And coming back to the workout, just do it on the floor in your bedroom or in the living room or on the balcony, something that you already have there. It's easy to just do it. And the third step is about habit stacking. And it's what it sounds like. You stack this new activity onto an existing habit that you have in your life. And in the morning, you always eat breakfast, right? So you can put it before or after breakfast, as an example. And the 4th step is accountability. Find an accountability partner. It can be your actual partner, it can be a friend. Anybody, doesn't matter, as long as you can help each other out. Ask the question, how is it going? Are you reaching your goal? Maybe they have a goal too and you can help each other out. That sounds great, right? So good luck with finding and making new habits, new good habits into your life. And I hope you enjoyed this content. And I'm happy that you are listening to me here today. And have a good day or evening. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you all. Bye-bye.